So with those many remarks, on behalf of my boss, His Excellency the Governor of Kisii, I hereby declare this congregation officially open, and enjoy as much as you can and have a fruitful discussion. Dr. Ochola School in Edinburgh, and Glasgow University offers most of the programs in Latin. Ni wangapi watachukua hiyo trophy asubuhi ya leo? That's but to brag, to have certain bragging rights, and to thank God for all these gestures and all these blessings. Lastly, feel at home, feel at ease. Welcome to the great county of Kisii one more time. Governor says, whatever you require, nimwambie, and whatever you want done, tuambie. Wherever you want to go kuona, kutembea, we are ready for you. Where you are is in Nyaribari Chache constituency, which stretches to the town center and all the way to this place. There's a place called like Kiambu also. Kiambu, yes, as you go towards Karoka. Asante sana, karibu Kisii, karibu, jisikie mko nyumbani. That is a good one. Distinguished colleagues, habari ya asubuhi. Mko salama? Karibu Kisii. It's a mixture of excitement and I don't know what. I mean, I'm a good speaker, but I'm overwhelmed for this presence. I don't know where to start, but allow me, colleagues, to welcome you to this great county of Kisii. It is a land of plenty, a land of the brave and the strong. This is where you will find both male and female working like they will never work again. On behalf of my boss, His Excellency Governor Simbarati, we wish to welcome you all to this great county. Governor Simbarati wished to be here, lakini kwa sababu za kikazi, he has been involved in few issues official at Nairobi. In fact, tulikuwa pamoja yesterday. I was supposed to be in Egesa FM this morning, but it was decided that I have to be here to welcome my distinguished colleagues. He has told me to assure you of his support and to do that which must be done, that I was advised by the caucus chair Farida and your deputy Kereri. If he signals to me that he will be here tomorrow, I'll quickly let you know. But even while he's away, he's ably represented in this meeting. You are my colleagues. His Excellency is a very dedicated person, very honest, very straight, purposeful and competent. The man means business. And he has told me that as I address you this morning, he supports devolution 100%. He supports the Council of Governors being one of them, and he supports all chairpersons of the county public service boards. What is unique about Kisii, ladies and gentlemen? Number one is that it's one of those rare counties that a gentleman of Arab origin becomes a member of parliament for Nyaribari Chache with an overwhelming vote of 35,000 votes. He beat everyone in the entire county in terms of numbers. Honorable Zahir Janda. That makes us unique. Number two, we are unique because this is the only county that has chosen a chairperson to become a deputy governor. And I think that is part of our history. Yes. And as they said, this is a county of plenty, and I agree. I also do farming. You come to my place, Ochola. I'm privileged to see you in the house. Ochola is my close relative. They're married to my daughter, so my brother's daughter, yes. I'm happy to have him in the house. And he's cool with my firstborn son. So Ochola, you can be my son as well. You come to my place, bananas are for fencing. We fence. It's true. Sugar cane is like a fence and a shade. Avocado, you sleep around it, come on, nazi to go shade. That makes us unique. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't have a written speech, but allow me to welcome you and assure you of our support as a government. And Governor Simbarati says we will make your place here comfortable as much as we can, and to guarantee you of your peace and your comfort and your safety, so that when you leave here, you will miss this place and long to come back again. Ladies and gentlemen, the secret to the blessings that has been bestowed on me as the Deputy Governor Designate is basically as a result of hard work, dedication and loyalty. I came over, I think I and Alex Mturi, where are you? Mturi, Kilifi. Mturi kwa wapi? Salam kate. Habari ya kwenu. Asante. We came on board last November. I don't think there's anybody who came on board this year. Has there been one?
We have two.
Oh, you have two. Then we could be having the youngest in the block, but we came in last November. And over time, ladies and gentlemen, personally had to really do so many things. The wage bill you talked about, I took it head on. Then, of course, trying to clean the payroll. Most people will fear cleaning the payroll. I took it head on, and for the first time, we have a 12-month budget, particularly in salaries. They were running on 11 months over the years. This year we got it right. 12 months achieved. And that has been as a result of a really dedication and hard work. Colleagues, any of you could become a deputy governor or a governor with loyalty and hard work. That I can assure you. I didn't know I would be chosen by His Excellency to be his deputy, because it came as a surprise. I mean, I barely worked as a chair. And this could be my first and probably last meeting as a chair, God willing, because we managed to have the case sorted out, and it's all systems go, and pray for us, ladies and gentlemen, so that we get there. I also find it unique for me because my former colleague, His Excellency Colonel Rasanga Moth, was my senior in the Ministry of Finance. So I am now walking towards that direction, and I feel privileged. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to also say that I have worked for this country and I find it unique. I don't know who will equal this, because I come from Kisii County, yes. Nyamira is my neighbor next door. I schooled in Ohombe. So for those who are complaining of Migingo, I will tell you, my dorm that I slept in many years ago is called Migingo. So Migingo ni yetu. I worked in Kirinyaga, ladies and gentlemen. I worked in Tana River. I worked in Kilifi, and Alex, I stay at Bofa, next to Hamid Mbarak, at Bofa, near Miguel Sabah. I worked in Narok as a board of directors in the Wasanyiro North Development Authority. I worked in Mombasa, Farida. I worked in Garissa, for where was Garissa? If you know Gamadid, I stayed in Gamadid's place, a close friend of mine, though he passed on. I worked in Samburu Marla and the World Bank program. I worked in, I stayed in Machakos when I'm in Nairobi. I worked in Lamu. I worked in Chuka. I worked in Nyandarua and the World Bank program. poverty alleviation and improvements of livelihoods. I worked in the Marakwet, then under IFAD, Trans-Nzoia Board of Directors, Kenya Seed Company, Isiolo, parts of Wajir Marsabit during the locust menace program. I was heading that desert locust intervention program, and World Bank, and parts of Meru and Tharaka-Nithi. My great-grandmother comes from Bomet, the Chair Bomet. I'm seeing you in Dabuchunik. You know where Dabuchunik is. And Nairobi is for us all, for those who can Nairobi. Is there anyone who has traversed those many counties so that we share the trophy? No, thank you. Thank you. Kisii, ladies and gentlemen, this is where you get soapstone like no other. The best refined soapstone comes from Kisii. The only country that is close to Kisii, a country, not a country, is Brazil. But theirs is slightly of inferior quality in terms of durability. So shortly, ladies and gentlemen, I'll call my MC, Fred, to go to my shamba to bring a bit of sweet bananas to sample and taste. And those of you with strong teeth, I can give you soft yellow miwa to taste what Kisii is all about at the appropriate time. Farida, forgive me, at the appropriate time. Without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to appreciate all of you. And if you realize I've stepped out for a minute or two, bear with me. That will be due to exigencies of duty. For I also double up as the principal assistant to the governor, albeit unofficially. Let me also beat me in this record. I speak 70% of Kikuyu. Yes, 70% of Kikuyu. I speak and I hear. 70% of Giriama. I spoke Giriama to Alex. Alex and Awanyagi Giriama. I also speak 50 or 60% of Kikamba. I speak 70 or so, or even more, of Pokomo. I worked there for 3 years.